Let's break down the actual jury first. And for those who don't know, there is something called a voir dire process, and that's how a jury is picked. The ones that are actually chosen, in this case there's 12 of them, were chosen from a larger pool of potential jurors. In federal court, such as this one, the judge gets to ask jurors, potential jurors, a list of questions. In state court, at least in Florida where I practice, the lawyers actually get to ask the potential jurors questions, which I think is probably the most important part of trial. So we have 12 jurors. There was also 6 alternates chosen. They are there just in case something happens to the main jurors. They do not know their alternates, but assuming the entire main jury panel makes it back to the jury room to deliberate, these 6 alternates will be released. So with the jury selection, we are looking to get a fair, impartial, unbiased panel of jurors. So what we have here, a 69-year-old male who works as an actor and massage therapist. Is that the most impartial and unbiased juror? I don't know, but you can make your own conclusions on that. A 31-year-old male who works as an investment analyst. A 51-year-old who has a PhD in molecular biology and neuroscience. My money's on him for being the foreperson, which is the lead juror. Usually a strong type A personality will be that person, and given his education, I think that will be him. We also have a 30-year-old female that works as a deli clerk in the Bronx, 42-year-old female who is an aide in nursing home, a 41-year-old male who works in communications at a correctional facility. Interesting. 68-year-old male who is retired from a bank, a 68-year-old male who is retired from working in telecommunications, a 43-year-old female who works as a physician's assistant, a 39-year-old male who works as a social worker, 67-year-old male who works as a logistics analyst, and a 74-year-old female who works as a treatment coordinator. Those are the 12 main jurors. And lastly, on jury selection of note is Diddy's attorneys did try and argue that the black potential jurors that were struck by the government was done so in a racially motivated way. The judge wasn't buying it. Judge said that there was non-racial reasons given. Each side has the same number of strikes, so they can say they don't want a juror for any reason other than a racial reason, and